Deep inside Kuwait's most secure facility, something extraordinary is being created. Not oil, not technology, money. It starts with cotton. Raw cotton bales arrive at the facility and enter the pulping machine where water and fiber combine into a thick slurry. This mixture sprays onto a moving mesh belt where water drains away and fibers begin to mat together, forming paper. Then the paper passes through 20 giant heated cylinders. Steam rises as moisture evaporates. What emerges is pure white security paper, the foundation of every Kuwaiti 20 dinar banknote.
Lift and move left. Confirmed. Bale secure. Moving to line. Clear to set down.
Before the paper dries, two critical security features are added. A metallized thread embeds into the paper's core. This thread shimmers gold and green when tilted. At the same time, a bronze roll presses the portrait of Abdullah al-Salam al-Sabah into the wet paper, creating the watermark. Visible only when held to light, these are the first lines of defense against counterfeiting. Now the paper moves to the printing hall. 10 offset printing units work in sequence, each applying a different layer of ink. The distinctive blue-green pattern of the 20 dinar note begins to appear. Complex guilloche lines and anti-scanning patterns cover every millimeter. This runs at 10,000 sheets per hour, each sheet containing 35 individual banknote designs. The most important step comes next. Intaglio printing, a 60-ton press.
Quality inspection confirms clean edges and no tearing. This batch is approved for printing.
Forces paper into steel engraving plates under thousands of tons of pressure. The portrait of Abdullah al-Salam al-Sabah and the numeral 20 are printed with thick raised ink. Run your finger across a genuine banknote. That texture you feel is intaglio printing. Counterfeiters cannot replicate it. A heated die stamps a holographic patch onto each note. The falcon emblem of Kuwait appears. When you tilt the note, the hologram shifts from gold to green. Then 10 numbering heads print unique serial numbers on every single note. Optical sensors verify each number. No duplicates, no errors. Millions of notes, millions of unique identities. Ultraviolet and infrared cameras inspect every millimeter of every note. One single defect and the note is automatically rejected. Finally, a precision cutter slices the sheets into individual banknotes, from raw cotton to finished currency. The Kuwaiti 20 dinar banknote is ready. Subscribe to the channel for more industrial documentaries. The complete film is waiting for you.
Look at this. Another spark ink defect detected. It's an isolated incident. The overall trend is stable. The system handled the rejection automatically.
Control, this is secure storage. All quiet.
All pallets accounted for. Manifest signed and verified. Loading complete. Using research-grade microscopes, technicians analyze the intricate intaglio ink structure and verify the chemical composition of the security features.
The tolerances on cylinder 5 look good. Agreed, well within the 5-micron limit.
We've got a red alert on batch 778. Mismatch confirmed. Acknowledged. Diverting the entire batch to manual review.
Intaglio tactile feel confirmed. Microtext legible under magnification. Spark ink verified. The hermetic seal is perfect. 99% vacuum achieved. Confirmed. These are ready for long-term storage.
Top corners secure. Bottom corners confirmed. All secure.
All indicators nominal. Inspection complete. Sign-off initiated.
AGV-01 has cleared the intersection, proceeding to Storage Zone A. Copy that. Monitoring battery levels on AGV-03.
Crane 04 confirms successful insertion at Bay 32. Acknowledged. The WMS has updated the inventory status.
We had a brief yellow status on Sector G5, but the system has reconciled the movement. Alert cleared.
Pallet scanned and sealed. Verification complete.
Confirmed against requisition order. Final authorization granted.
Seal verification complete. Manifest confirmed. Pallet secure.
Roger that. We're clear to load.
Control, loading is complete. Seals verified and GPS active. Copy that. Route encrypted. You are authorized to depart. Safe transit.
KV-701, unique route transmission complete. Confirm receipt and secure path activation. Dispatch, this is KV-701. Route received, secure path active. Proceeding as planned.
Dock 4 secure. Beginning transfer protocol. Seal verified against manifest. Entering data now. Transfer complete. Confirmed. Records updated.
Condition check on this one, it's got a crack. Yep. Copy that. I'll log it for maintenance review.
Split board detected, sending to repair. Next one is clear for reuse. The closed-loop water system recirculates approximately 98% of all process water used in paper formation.
Lock down the main production floor now.
Unit 5, report to the loading dock immediately, we have an alert. Generator 3 coming online now, transferring 50% load. Power draw is stable, good synchronization, laser alignment is verified within spec. Wiping roller installed and secured. Lubrication points complete. Checklist updated.